In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do task templates in Asana. We'll walk through creating a reusable task template inside a project and then using it so your team can spin up consistent tasks in just a couple of clicks. Start by opening the Asana project where you want the template to live. Templates are project specific, so building it in the right place ensures it's available to everyone working in that project and keeps your workflows tidy and consistent. In the upper right of your task list, find the Add Task button. Don't click it directly, click the small arrow next to it. That reveals additional options designed for advanced task creation, which is exactly what we need for templates. From that menu, choose Add Task Template rather than Add Task. You'll land on a setup view for templates. Go ahead and click Create New Template, and Asana will open the template editor where you define the details once for repeated use. Now build your template. Give it a clear, action-oriented name, and add a concise description with purpose, expectations, and key links. Set an assignee if it's always the same owner, or leave it blank if ownership varies. Add a due date if it's fixed, or leave it to fill in later. Create subtasks for the standard steps. Add fields such as priority or status to keep tracking consistent. Finally, attach any files, briefs, checklists, or references so everything arrives preloaded. When your template looks right, click Create Template. That saves it to the project, so it's now available whenever you use the template menu. You can always revisit the template later to tweak wording, fields, or subtasks as your process matures. To put the template to work, open the same menu again. Add Task Template, select the template you created, and add it to the project. Asana will generate a new task with the name, description, assignee, due date, subtasks, fields, and attachments you defined. Take a moment to edit the new task for the specific situation, update dates, reassign if needed, or adjust any subtasks. If your project uses sections or columns, drag the task to the right place so it appears in the proper stage of your workflow. That's it. By opening your project, using the arrow next to add task, creating a new template, building it out, saving, and then adding it to the project, you've set up a reliable way to launch consistent tasks fast every single time.